We need comparison in life, happiness and misery, pain and pleasure, silence and sound, melody and harshness. We need the difference, birth and death, celebration and mourning. It's all part of life. We cannot expect always roses, life to be full of roses. Even the roses do not come on their own accord. They come with thorns. That is nature. That is reality. Expecting everything to be roses is illusion. Expecting everything to go smoothly, that's illusion. Expecting everything to look always beautiful the way we want to perceive is also an illusion. So we need illusion sometimes to appreciate reality, or sometimes to be in the real to appreciate illusion. It's always dance of consciousness, waves of consciousness, morning to evening, again morning, again evening, summer, winter, and different seasons, and up and down. One day you are very happy, next day you're a bit down. Sometimes you become so sad without strong reason. Sometimes you are happy without reason. So that is fluctuation. It's an artistic and very rhythmic fluctuation of our emotional consciousness. So we have to be prepared to welcome new circumstances, new events. But we have to combine our emotional heart with intellectual mind. Only then we will embrace our whole consciousness. We will be able to experience wholeness of life. Then we will not miss anything. So life means not just one item or one phase. It has many dimensions. So we have to create a purpose in the material world. What we want to do, how we want to spend time, where we want to go. Deep down, the very purpose of all humans is to experience life deeply, profoundly, with profound awareness every moment, and to tune in with the circumstance, whatever it is, to experience maximum melody, and also to tune in to see oneness at a very high level. Although you see diversity and disparity around you locally or regionally, but at a very higher level, there is oneness. So we have to raise our consciousness towards embracing such oneness. It is all within us how we operate our consciousness, how we want to steer the wheel of our will, how we want to really do it. But we have to figure it out. It is there, just there, not outside, just inside. But we have to make a little sincere effort to find out how to operate that will and our consciousness, where we want to project, how we want to really give a certain direction. If you want to accomplish everything, it's not going to happen. We can only aim at one objective at a time. We are not allowed to accomplish too many things at a time. We can only concentrate upon one entity, one item at a time. That is discipline of nature, discipline of lower nature. That's disciplinary expression of our human body. We can only do one thing at a time. We can only communicate with one entity at a time. We cannot really do many things at a time. We can only if you cross the border of mind. While dwelling in the mind, we cannot do too many things at a time, because mind is unilateral. It is going in one direction. So it can only think one object at a time, one subject. Otherwise, you get tired. When you are distracted in too many ways, too many directions, you get tired, you get exhausted. That's where you get exhausted because mind cannot cope with it. You get tired as though energy is drained from your body, from your being. Because we are not created to focus on various aspects at a time and to accomplish too many things at a time. One after the other, we have to deal with the problem one by one. We have to create space in order to achieve that. We have to create time for ourselves. Otherwise, it's not going to happen. Creating space means external space as well as internal space. Somewhere we have to go away from chaotic places. We have to experience our presence, our space. Then we will be able to deal with the problem, what it is like.